Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys my essentials from Amazon Prime. I became a member probably about a year now. Honest to God, it was the best $10 a month I've ever spent because I swear I'm putting in an order literally every day. It's becoming a problem, but I don't want to see it as a problem. I'm thinking it like, oh, it's fine. It's like free shipping, but let's just go ahead and get into the video. I have a few things that I literally love, use every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I wanted to show you guys these meal prep containers. So if you guys like to meal prep, these are the best because they have dividers and it comes with a nice clear plastic lid and it is perfect. It seals tight, very quick, effective, and they were really cheap. Oh, sorry, my little cat's hanging out. The next is I got this little lunch bag off of there too. It's nice and big inside. It holds pretty much everything that I need and it's really cute, and I feel like lunch bags aren't really cute, so if you could find a cute one, it's a win. So next thing is this self-tanning. So I usually use the Rosa self-tanning. If I don't use that one, I will go with the Soleil self-tanning mousse. This actually just came out. They do have an aerosol one that I literally love, but this is the like self-tanning mousse. You can find this on Amazon or on her website, but if you do want the Amazon Prime, go ahead and pick this up on Amazon. It's amazing. I will definitely link everything down below. This has a really good undertone and it doesn't patch off whenever you are kind of like fading, so I definitely recommend this. I use this when I need like my legs touched up, or if like it's the middle of summer and I'm like, I'm just not tan enough. So this is also one of my favorite things that I can get from Amazon. Okay, so this next product I cannot rave more about. It is absolutely amazing. So this is the Obliphica hair mask, and it is literally changed my hair for the better. So my hair is nice and long, but it was kind of getting dry towards the end and I was like, I can't lose length. I can't lose length. So this has repaired my hair so much. It's actually growing and my hair is silky. When I get out of the shower, it literally, I can brush right through. I have no knots, no tangles. It's amazing. So this is a hair mask, but I use it in place of a conditioner. So every time I get in the shower, I use this as a conditioner. It is a bit pricey, but you get a big tub and you won't use this. Like I have a small one. I used it within like 3 months, so this will save you, you know, for a very long time. So this next thing is kind of strange, but it works. So I got these hyaluronic acid drops. So I get lip filler, and my client actually told me about this, that she uses this at nighttime as like a lip moisturizer, and this is what Juvederm is. So you're kind of replumping the lips, so you're going to be saved throughout the time of you getting your lips done. I also use this all over my face because it's really good for dryness, it's instant hydration, and it helps reduce wrinkles. It has pure aloe in it and it reduces dryness and soothes the skin. And it like plumps the lines, so I feel like I am giving my skin like a little facelift every time I use this. Okay, so the next thing is a hair tool product. So this is the Paul Mitchell Unclipped wand. It comes with 3 different attachments. This curling iron literally will make your hair curly for 2 weeks if you wanted it to. This, I do it once and it lasts until the next time I wash it. And I don't wash my hair probably like once a week. So this honestly has changed my life because I don't want to put tons of heat on my hair. So if I can just do it once, have it done, and have it last for the whole week, it has changed my life. Plus, you want to spend time redoing it every morning. Plus, it is, I think, $100. So you get 3 different attachments and it's a really good product. And it heats up like in no time. Okay, so last thing is another hair care product, and it's the Obliphica Professional Serum. So it kind of goes along with this. So the purple one is for like medium to coarse hair, which I do have, and then the orange stuff is for fine hair. But with a serum, you don't want it to be too heavy, so this is perfect for whenever you get out of the shower. You want to put from your mid shaft to your ends. And then I also kind of do as like a touch up throughout like my washes, just to give my hair like a little bit more of that sheen, that look that it was just freshly washed. But if you are looking to get the Obliphica line, make sure that you focus on, if you're fine hair, then go with the orange stuff, because the orange stuff still comes with like the hair mask. And if you have medium to coarse hair, you want to get the purple one. So I want to make more of these videos because I literally love Amazon Prime. But let me know in the comments down below if you would be excited to see that. And welcome back. I'm here to make videos again. I know I said that in my last video that I posted, but drop some comments with some video ideas, because I kind of want to start doing more like lifestyle videos and maybe some fashion. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.